Iblis was asked to prostrate along. He is not from the angels, but he was trying to imitate the angels. He was a righteous person, but then he did not like the idea of prostrating to someone whom he thinks is being made of something which is less important than him. He was made of the fire, whereas Adam was made of the clay. He didn't like it, and the arrogance was into him, and that is why he had made this oath. That is, he will never ever obey us. He will make us disobey Allah Azza wa Jal. The poking that takes place to every child save Isa alayhi salam and his mother. For verily the Prophet ﷺ, as mentioned in Sahih Al-Bukhari, every son of the son of Adam, the shaitan will come and poke him into his sides. That is the moment when he is born. Illa Isa wa ummahu Maryam. That is, except for Isa and his mother Maryam. He wanted to poke, but verily he poked into the shield. And that shield was given to Mary and his mother because of what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had told us about his mother when she said, the mother, and that is the grandmother of Isa, Lord, I have given birth to a female. Wallahu a'lamu bima wada'at. Allah knows what type of child she has given birth to, whether it's male or female. وَلَيْسَ الذَّكَرُ كَالْأُنْثَى. And I know for a fact that the male is not like the female, because the male at that time used to be serving the monastery. So she'd given birth to a female, but she wanted a male for the sake of serving the monastery. So وَلَيْسَ الذَّكَرُ كَالْأُنْثَى وَإِنِّي سَمَّيْتُهَا مَرْيَمَ. And I called her Maryam. وَإِنِّي أُعِيذُهَا بِكَ وَذُرِّيَّتَهَا مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. And verily I seek for her and for her offspring. And the only offspring of her is Isa alayhi salam. That is from the cursed shaitan. And that is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He had put a shield when Mary was born, Maryam. And when her child Isa was born, there was a shield, and the shaitan, he wanted to fulfill his oath, whom Allah has given him the permission to fulfill his oath when he wanted to be sent down. So he said, oh Allah, just give me respite until the day of resurrection. And he gave him respite, and he said, oh Allah, any person who is there, I will deviate him except illa ibadak al-mukhlasin, except those sincere devotees and devotees. Those are the ones I'm not able to mislead them.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.